Welcome back, editor. I know the biggest problem you face is finding overlays, which is very difficult. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about an app through which you can download unlimited pictures, PNGs, green screen videos, and overlays for free. So let's move to the video without wasting time. To download the app, first open the Play Store. After opening it, go to the search bar and search for Pinterest. Then install this app. After installing, open the app. Once it's open, click on Continue with Google and log in using any of your email accounts. After logging in, you will see many pictures there. Go to the search section and search for Overlay Video. After searching, you will find many Overlay AI videos. To download them, click on the three dots on the video and then click on Copy Link. After that, open your Chrome browser and search for Pinterest 4K Video Downloader. Then scroll down and open that website. Paste the video link there and click on Download. Your video will be downloaded. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can subscribe to the channel.